Alright, so today I'll show you how to transfer photos and videos from your MacBook Neo to an Android phone. Now, the first thing you need to do is connect the Android phone to your MacBook Neo via a Type-C to Type-C cable. And once they're connected, tap on USB 4, this option right here, and make sure it's set for transferring files. Now, once you do that, you may or may not see a pop-up on your MacBook asking you to authorize the device. Go ahead and authorize that. And then now you need to open an application called OpenMTP. Now, OpenMTP is an application that you can use to easily transfer files to and from your Mac and an Android phone. I've already made a video on how to install OpenMTP. I'm going to link it down below. But once that is installed and connected, then you can simply go ahead and launch it, and then it should connect to your Android phone. So once you get it to work, then this is what you're going to see. Now, for me personally, I had to restart the entire computer. I'm not sure why it was giving me problems, but it normally doesn't give me problems. Anyway, I just restarted my laptop and now it works. So this side is your PC. Beg your pardon. This side is your MacBook Neo, and on this side is your phone, your Android phone. And you can just easily transfer files. So since we're transferring from the MacBook Neo to the Android phone, we're going to go into the MacBook Neo and find specific photos or videos. Let's say it's these photos, and I want them in the downloads folder of my Android phone. All I have to do is open the downloads folder here, open the source, and then just drag and drop. It's literally that simple. Just drag and drop. It's literally as simple as that. And then once you're done, you can just close out of this and disconnect your phone. And that is basically how to transfer files, photos, and videos from your MacBook Neo to an Android phone. If you go to the downloads folder of my Android phone, you can see the files I've just transferred. All right, these two. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.